Cotton candy, raspberry. All right, so now we got a penguin. We gotta put that on there so everyone knows we're cleaning it. We're just gonna hit it with the spray. Now we gotta get the top of the car because that's what everyone sees when you're driving. So it's super important. Oh, my favorite, a mop. All right, get ready. Whoa, it's loaded. It was. I'm gonna turn this thing on, tell me if I'm gonna explode. So we're gonna put that away because I'm not experienced with that. We're gonna bring out my weapon of choice. Ha! Ha! Remember, this stuff doesn't spray when shaken. Just a little bit. Beautiful. It will also smell delicious. Don't worry, save a bit for yourself for hydration purposes.
First of all, the vehicle needs to go on the mat because our company is environmentally friendly. And so we need to get that set up.
This is like what you give your 2-year-old and you make up something that it actually is, but in reality it's just like a glove.
Remember that ladder you took out earlier?
Yeah, but ladders for squares. But you know what? Sometimes it pays to be a square. You ever heard that Outkast song, So Fresh, So Clean? This is what they were talking about, me cleaning the car.
Blake, ITBlake, how did you do today?
I'd say a solid 5 out of 5 belt lines. Yeah. So, how do you think I did today?
Not so good, but I do have the perfect job for you.
What'd you have in mind?
Just ignore the fan in here. It doesn't work.
Oh, great.
Okay. So do you want to keep your sunglasses on?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can leave after you get 2 more horn honks.
Oh, there's that
one.
Did they?
Hey, let's get out.
Alright, ITBlake, you got a really big day. What would you rather do? Be a mascot or wash cars?
Mascot. More high fives.
Which one do you think you did better?
Mascot.
You did a better job with mascot.
Yeah. I'm good at being in penguin suits. Kind of a trade expert at it.